Hi everyone, welcome to onlinellcguide.com. If you need any information about how to start an LLC in any of the states, this is the website to go to. Just go to the top right and click State Guides and you will have all the states and all the information you need. But today we are focusing on Florida, how to form an LLC in Florida. It is one of the most popular states in the US to form an LLC. So let's have a look. When you go down, you will see what you can find on this page. Also, again, as the previous one, no state income tax. Interesting. Then here you have a table with all the key details. For example, $125 for the state filing fee, no state income tax, etc. What you need before filing in Florida. Then you have a step-by-step guide. Then there's a full breakdown of the costs in Florida. Then when you go down more, you have the processing timeline. And to get all of this done smoothly, we are picking Northwest Registered Agent, as they are the best option for this to form your LLC in Florida. The service fee is only $39, and their registered agent service, the first year, is for free. So yeah, feel free to scroll down the page, see all the step-by-step, the guide, all the details. And if you are ready to form your LLC in Florida, just click this green button here. It will redirect you to Northwest, and for $39 you will get started on your LLC. It's really very easy. If you are also curious about why we consistently choose Northwest, if you go to the top, compare services, it will bring you to a full explanation of why we choose Northwest, or you can also click the link below the video. It covers their privacy focus, customer support, and why they are so trusted. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have all the info, or you will find all the info for sure on this page, and I wish you all the best with your LLC in Florida. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next guide.